Curious about the channels YouTube TV offers? As of 2025, YouTube TV provides access to over 100 live channels, covering a wide range of content, including local broadcasts, sports, news, and entertainment. This extensive lineup ensures that you have access to a variety of programming to suit different tastes. Local broadcast networks. YouTube TV includes major local broadcast networks such as ABC, CBS, FOX, NBC, The CW, PBS, UNI, VISION, and TELEMUNDO. This means you can watch popular shows, local news, and sports events as they air. News channels. Stay informed with news channels like CNN, MSNBC, FOXNEWS, CNBC, and BBCWORLDNEWS. These channels provide comprehensive news coverage from around the globe. Sports channels. For sports enthusiasts, YouTube TV offers channels like ESPN, ESPN2, ESPN News, FS1, FS2, NFL Network, and Golf Channel. These channels cover a wide range of sports, including football, basketball, baseball, and more. Entertainment and lifestyle channels. Enjoy a variety of entertainment and lifestyle content with channels like AMC, FX, TNT, HGTV, Food Network, E!, Bravo, and Hallmark Channel. These channels offer a mix of dramas, comedies, reality shows, cooking programs, and family-friendly content. Children's programming. For younger viewers, YouTube TV includes channels like Disney Channel, Disney Junior, Disney XD, Cartoon Network, and Nickelodeon. These channels provide a range of animated and live-action shows suitable for children. Additional channels. YouTube TV also offers access to channels like AMC, BBC America, BBC World News, BET, Bravo, Cartoon Network, CBS, CBS Sports, Charge, Cheddar, Cheddar News, CMT, CNBC, CNBC World, CNN, Comedy Central, Comedy.v, Comet, Court TV, Cozy TV, DABL, Discovery Channel, Disney, Disney Junior, Disney XD, Docurama, Dove Channel, E!, ESPN, ESPN2, ESPN News, ESPNU, Food Network, Fox, Fox Business, Fox News, Fox Soul, Fox Weather, Freeform, FS1, FS2, FX, FSM, FSX, Galavision, Game Show Network, Get TV, Golf Channel, Hallmark Channel, Hallmark Family, Hallmark Movies and Mysteries, HGTV, HLN, HSN, IFC, Investigation Discovery, Ion Television, Justice Central, and more. Please note that channel availability may vary based on your location. To see the full list of channels available in your area, you can visit the official YouTube TV website and enter your zip code. YouTube TV, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.